Okay, this time we're going to look at the square root of 48. And we'll copy the same method as we did in the previous example. So we'll write out the factors of 48. Now you might think this is very similar to the last one, but there's one difference that I want you to look at. So the factors of 48 would be 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, and 6 times 8. So we have to pick out the perfect square. Okay, so there would be a perfect square. Let's see, 16 is a perfect square. That's a perfect square. And 4 is also a perfect square. Okay, so those are the perfect squares involved. So the question then becomes, which of them do we use? Do we use 3 16s or do we use 4 12s? And the answer is that you always use the bigger, and if there's more than 2, the largest perfect square. So while we have a choice, it seems, of using 16 or 4, we're going to use 16 because it's the biggest one. So we're going to rewrite this, and we've written it here as 3 16s, but remember what I said in the previous example. Always write the perfect square first, because it just looks better. So it's going to be 16 times 3. And then split that up, square root of 16 times the square root of 3, and this time I'm dropping the multiplication sign a little bit earlier. You can drop it whenever you like. Square root of 16 is 4, so it's 4 root 3. And that's it. Okay, these are very quick problems. You may have done them different ways with factor trees and reducing the 48 into prime factors, which is fine, but I just find that this is a little bit quicker. And whatever way you prefer is good. Okay, hope you find that one not too bad.